Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a video on how this chicken stir fry noodles was made by a chef, and yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along. So here he parboiled the noodles. He used an all-purpose seasoning instead of the usual Indomie noodles seasoning. So while he was parboiling the noodles, he started preparing his sauce, and he added some oil. Then the noodles was ready. He drained it out and set that aside. He added some oil, and then he threw in some onions and also while he was stir frying the onions, he made sure to chop some garlic and some ginger and added them to the onions. You can see guys, he's using lots of onions for this stir fry. So guys, he sauteed the onions for about a minute. Now he's going ahead to chop his beef with the meat, and he's using chicken breast for this recipe. Like I said, it's a chicken stir fry noodles which he's making. So he's just going to chop the chicken breast and then add it to the sauteed onions, garlic and ginger that's already cooking. Guys, he made sure to ensure that the chicken cooks properly, and now he's adding some soy sauce to the chicken breast to add more flavor for our stir fry. He's also adding some chili sauce to add an extra heat, make it a bit spicy, because guys, we are cooking noodles, stir-fried noodles, so to make it a little bit more spicy. And while that is going on, his assistant chef is chopping off the carrots and the green bell pepper, which they will be adding to the stir fry. He's also seasoning the stir fry sauce with an all-purpose seasoning which he used, and he will also add the Indomie seasoning as well. Now he has added the carrots, and he will also add the green bell pepper. Stir fry it and let it fry for a bit. So guys, here he's reducing the heat so that our sauce doesn't burn. So he's reducing the heat, and he's going to add a little bit of water to loosen up the sauce a bit, just to loosen up some of the spices that has been overcooked. So now guys, he's adding the already cooked parboiled, or let me say cooked Indomie noodles, and he's going to pan fry it or stir fry it until all the sauce have been properly incorporated into the Indomie, and our Indomie will be ready. And this is the method he's using. Now this is a chef style method of stir frying noodles, which is cute anyways. He stir fried for about 5 minutes, and then he shared the noodles for everyone who was watching the class to enjoy and taste the noodles, guys. And this was really good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family, leave a comment down below, and hit the like button as well. Until I see you in my next one, bye guys.